Okay.
You going?
Yeah.
I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. Can you see the background too?
Yeah. Here, hold on real quick. I gotta get my stuff. Ah. Okay.
I'm coming for you.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see there's a door right next to me. I'm coming for you. I'm going to have to turn soon. Alright. As I can see. I was going around that corner.
Oh my god. I can't wait for you to get to the stairs.
I know, me too. I'll flip around and hop in. Oh no, your teeth.
Oh my gosh, Willow. What?
My shrunken thing. I'm almost done. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Milo. Your phone. Your phone. Your phone. You
Now
just
my
took your
life is
phone.
done for. At least I can breathe. I have fresh air. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I can't move. I'm done. Can't get out of here.